Ever wondered how developers collaborate on a project? Welcome to the fascinating world of Git and GitHub, two essential tools in the world of software development. Git is the backstage hero of coding, a version control system that allows multiple developers to work on a project simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes. It's like a time machine, preserving every iteration of your code so you can always go back when something goes wrong. On the other hand, GitHub is the social network of developers. It's a hosting platform for Git repositories that facilitates collaboration, allowing developers to share their work, contribute to others' projects, and build upon existing code. Whether you're working solo on a passion project or collaborating on a global open-source initiative, Git and GitHub make the process seamless and efficient. So, the next time you marvel at a beautifully coded app or website, remember, behind the scenes, Git and GitHub are essential tools for any software developer. What's the magic behind Git and GitHub? It's all about version control. Version control is the superhero of coding projects. Picture it as a time machine that records changes to a file or set of files over a period. This allows you to revisit and retrieve specific versions of your work at any point in time. Now let's talk about Git. Git is like a team of skilled artists, each working on a separate canvas, yet contributing to a single masterpiece. It allows developers to create separate branches of a project. This means you can implement and test new features without disrupting the main project. It's like having a safety net under a tightrope, providing you the freedom to take risks and experiment. And the best part, if something goes wrong, you can always revert back to an earlier version. It's like having a magic undo button. Version control with Git gives developers the freedom to experiment and innovate without fear of damaging their project. So Git handles version control, but where does GitHub come into play? Good question. Imagine GitHub as a bustling hub where developers from all around the globe can host their Git repositories and collaborate on projects. One of the most powerful features of GitHub is pull requests. This isn't about physically pulling anything, instead it's a space where developers can propose changes to a project. Think of it as a discussion forum where any alterations to the code are debated, refined, and finally approved. It's a democratic way of ensuring that the project stays on track and the code remains clean and efficient. But that's not all. GitHub also sports a fantastic feature called issue tracking. This is like a supercharged to-do list where bugs and improvements are logged and monitored. Each issue can be assigned to specific team members, making it clear who is responsible for what. It's a great way to avoid the chaos that can often come with large-scale projects. In short, GitHub is more than just a hosting service for Git repositories. It's an essential tool for any developer looking to collaborate on projects, big or small. It takes the power of Git, a potent tool in its own right, and amplifies it with features designed to enhance collaboration. No wonder it's loved by developers across the globe. GitHub takes the power of Git and amplifies it with features designed to enhance collaboration. Git and GitHub together revolutionize the way developers work on projects. We've journeyed through the landscape of these powerful tools, unveiling the core concepts and methods that make them indispensable in today's software development. We started with an introduction to Git and GitHub, underlining their relevance in the digital world. Git, a distributed version control system, enables us to track and manage changes in our code, ensuring no version is ever lost. GitHub, on the other hand, is the meeting point for millions of developers worldwide, a platform where collaboration and code sharing are made simple and efficient. We then delved into the heart of version control, illustrating how Git helps maintain a neat historical record of our projects, allowing us to revert changes, branch out for new features, and merge our work seamlessly. This is the magic of Git, an elegant solution to the chaos of code changes. Next, we explored the collaborative power of GitHub. We showed you how to use repositories, create and manage branches, and merge pull requests. All these features, when used effectively, can transform a solitary coding endeavor into a harmonious team effort. Now it's your turn to delve deeper. Visit the official Git and GitHub websites. They are treasure troves of tutorials, documentation, and community wisdom. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these tools. With Git and GitHub, you're equipped with powerful tools to collaborate effectively and make your mark in the world of software development.